Today we will learn the correct way to use a laboratory thermometer. Remember, getting accurate readings starts with using the right technique. We will focus on 3 key ideas you can see here: keeping the thermometer vertical, keeping the bulb away from the container, and reading at eye level. By the end, you will be able to use these rules confidently. Have you ever noticed how our sense of touch can be a bit tricky? For example, if your hand was just in warm water, room temperature water might feel cool. But if your hand was in ice cold water, that same room temperature water might feel warm. This shows us that touch can be misleading. A thermometer provides a much more reliable way to measure how hot or cold something truly is. Let's meet the laboratory thermometer. It is a tool designed to measure the temperature of liquids and other substances. It has a bulb at the bottom, which contains a liquid. When the temperature changes, this liquid expands or contracts, moving up or down the narrow liquid column. We read the temperature from the Celsius scale at the top of the liquid column. Many school thermometers range from -10 to 110 degrees Celsius, but always check your specific instrument. Before you measure anything, there are 2 important checks to make. First, check the range, which is the lowest and highest temperature the thermometer can read. For this one, it is -10 to 110 degrees Celsius. Second, find the least count. This is the value of one small division on the scale. Here, each small division represents 1 degree Celsius. Checking the scale helps you read temperature precisely. Now for our first rule. The thermometer's bulb must be fully immersed in the substance you are measuring. It is also very important that the bulb does not touch the sides or the bottom of the beaker. If it does, you might be measuring the temperature of the glass instead of the liquid. And a quick reminder, handle these glass instruments with care and never hold them by the bulb. Rule number 2 is to keep the thermometer vertical, holding it straight up and down. You should not tilt it. As you can see in the examples, a tilted thermometer can make it difficult to read the scale accurately. This can lead to careless or inconsistent measurements. Rules 3 and 4 are about reading the measurement correctly. First, you must read the temperature while the thermometer is still in the liquid. If you take it out, the liquid column can start to fall, and your reading will change. Second, always keep your eye level with the top of the liquid column. Looking from above or below can cause an error and give you a wrong reading. Let's do a quick recap of the 4 rules for a correct reading. First, the bulb is fully immersed and not touching the container. Second, the thermometer is kept vertical. Third, you read it while it is still immersed. And fourth, your eye is at the same level as the liquid column. So why should we not lift the thermometer out before taking a reading?